The list of probable replacements for Raghuram Rajan may be several, but stepping into the academic turned RBI chief's shoes could be a high-pressure job. Let's take a look at some achievements that made him rock star Rajan.
Support for Raghuram Rajan flooded Twitter after he refused a second term as the central bank chief. But what are the achievements that made him a rock star RBI governor? When Rajan took over as the RBI chief in September of 2013, the rupee was trading near a record low of 68.85 per dollar. But within days of him assuming charge of the RBI, the rupee staged a remarkable comeback. The same year, India was also battling double-digit inflation, which forced the central bank to keep interest rates high. Rajan stepped in and formalized a new monetary framework that focused on bringing inflation down. In 2013, India was also reeling under high fiscal and current account deficits in a slowing economy. India was then clubbed with Fragile Five countries, a term used for countries with high inflation, currency volatility and weak growth. But at the end of Rajan's term, India is now the fastest growing big economy in the world. Lower inflation and stability in the currency markets helped Rajan bring down the key repo rate to a 5-year low. Under the RBI chief, public sector banks also embarked upon an ambitious plan to clean up their balance sheets. These are achievements that Raghuram Rajan has also highlighted in a letter written to his colleagues at the RBI.
He has been an extraordinary governor and, we wish him all the best, and India is stronger. So I think things will go on, but he has for sure done a remarkable job.
An outspoken Rajan once famously declared in James Bond style, "My name is Rajan and I do what I do." And this is what he said he did as the chief of India's central bank. Bureau Report, India Today.